Walsh Farms of Beloit, Wisconsin installed their own grain drying and storage facilities to better control their destiny. The Orion Group of Whitewater, Wisconsin was called in to build a modern, efficient facility to weigh, dry, and store grain. At the heart of this facility is a specially designed, legal-for-trade, heavy-capacity truck scale that delivers weighing accuracy with rapid load and unload capabilities. Cream City Scale of Loves Park, Illinois and Madison, Wisconsin, considered the largest heavy-capacity scale dealer in the Midwest, was called in to coordinate the weighing portion of this project. Cream City asked the scale manufacturer, Rice Lake Weighing Systems of Rice Lake, Wisconsin, and the hopper manufacturer, Lowry Manufacturing of Lowry, Minnesota, to modify their standard products in order to satisfy this design. As construction began, the scale site was excavated and the underground Lowry grain bins placed. Concrete pillars were built to hold the overhead loadout and the entire area capped in concrete in preparation for the truck scale. The scale was carefully placed using the 14-ton remote-controlled crane on board the Cream City heavy-capacity service truck. Middle section B of this three-section scale is most critical, as its steel grain chutes must align precisely over the underground hoppers below. Scale sections A and C are filled with concrete and allowed to cure, creating a 74-foot long by 12-foot wide weighing surface. The scale house is constructed and wired to the scale. ScaleMaster Pro software, created by Cream City for the ag industry, is configured to the needs of Walsh Farms, capturing and storing information like specific fields, grain trucks, moisture content, and grain type. The scale approaches are poured and the scale connected, calibrated, and put into service per the State of Wisconsin Department of Weights and Measures. The scale is a Rice Lake OTR Survivor 100-ton capacity scale that sits directly above two Lowry underground hoppers. Two grain chutes in the scale feature a unique sock-like dust collection design that minimizes hazard and simplifies service. Created by Lowry and Cream City to provide a loose connecting point between the scale and hopper, these chutes allow the grain in the truck to fall through the scale into the hoppers in a safe and fast unloading operation. The Lowry hoppers hold 1,000 bushels, or a 10,000 bushel per hour capacity. Once the grain falls into the underground hopper, the site operator sends it to the grain dryer, and then to several large storage bins nearby, all supplied by Sukup Manufacturing Company of Sheffield, Iowa. An overhead loadout allows a grain truck to load to max capacity and get on the road in 8 to 10 minutes. If a truck is overloaded, the additional grain can be immediately offloaded back into the underground hoppers. With a 100,000 bushel grain storage capacity and the toughest truck scale in the industry, this grain handling, drying, and storage facility will provide Walsh Farms reliable and accurate service for years to come.